Hello guys, let's see today's set. So there are five persons: Ankit, Kishore, Praveen, Rajesh and Trived. They had a certain number of books with them. The number of books with each of them was a distinct prime number less than 25, but the sum of the number of books with no two of the persons was a prime number. Okay, so the sum should not be a prime. Further, the total number of books with the five of them was an even number. It is known that Kishore had more than double the number of books than Praveen had, while Rajesh had less than one third the number of books that Trived had. Further, the number of books with Ankit was less than that with Kishore, while Rajesh had a greater number of books than Praveen. Okay, so only a small paragraph is given. So, moreover, if we look at the numbers that we have to work on, it's just the prime numbers less than 25. So, I don't think so. We will get a difficulty in solving this set. Moreover, and if we look at the questions, all of the questions are the theta questions. So, it tells us that we can determine the number of books they have uniquely. Okay, so let's move on to the solution. So let me first draw the table. So this is Ankit, this is Kishore, this is Praveen, this is Rajesh, and this is Trived. So it was given that the numbers which are less than 25. So what are the prime numbers which are less than 25? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Okay, and the total number of books was an even number. So I have to choose five of them, and the sum of all the five books should be even. So all of them are odd numbers, and only there is one even number, which is 2. So to make the sum even, so I need to have one even number, which is 2, and then four odd number, any four odd number. So this will give me even. The sum of this will give me even. In order to have sum as an even number, so I need to have 2 and 4 odd numbers. Only then I can get the sum even. So with 2 I need to choose other 4 numbers, and the sum should not come as the prime number, as the condition was given that no two numbers should give a sum prime number. Okay, so with 2 I can't choose 3, because 2 plus 3 would be 5, which is a prime number. 2 and 5 I can't choose. 2 and 7 again 9, which I can choose. 7 I can choose. 2 plus 11 would be 13, so I can't choose 11. 2 plus 13 would be 15, I can choose 13. 7 plus 2 is 19, I can't choose 17. And then 19 plus 2 is 21. 23 plus 2 is 25, I can choose this. Okay, so how I made this selection is just that because I need to have four odd numbers, and their individual sum with 2 or their individual sum with any of the other numbers should not be a prime. So if I have a 2 number which is fixed here, which is only even number here, so if I get the 3, or if I get 5, 11 or 17, I will get the sum to be a prime number. So that's why I don't need them. So the remainings are 2, 7, 13, 19, 23. So 2, 7, 13, 19, 23. So okay, only these are the five numbers that I have to arrange in this table here. Okay, now the further condition is given. It is known that Kishore had more than double the number of books that Praveen had. Okay, so let's say Praveen had X books and Kishore had more than double. So let's say Kishore had greater than 2x. Praveen has X books, Kishore has more than double of Praveen, so more than 2x. While Rajesh had less than one third the number of books that Trived had. Okay, so let's say Trived had 3y books and Rajesh had less than one third. So it should be less than y. So less than y. Further, the number of books with Ankit was less than that with Kishore. Okay, so Ankit's book should be less than Kishore. Well, Rajesh had a greater number of books than Praveen. Rajesh had a greater number of books than Praveen. Okay, so Rajesh books be, let's say this, and it should be greater than X. Okay, so the Rajesh books should be less than the one third the books Trived had, that is less than Y, and Rajesh should have the books which is greater than the Praveed had. So the number of books with Rajesh should be between X and Y. Okay, so these are the conditions, and according to these conditions I have to arrange these five numbers here. Okay, so let me look at the question number 2, which is the smallest number among these. So 2 can't come with Trived because this is 3y. Okay, this is the highest number, so 2 can't come here. Again, 2 can't come here. Why? Because 2 is the smallest number. So I can't have anything which is less than 2. So if 2 comes here, then x value will get nothing. Okay, so 2 can't come here as well. So 2 can come here, x can take the value of 2. So there is a possibility. And there is a possibility 2 can come with Ankit as well, here as well. Okay, so let's say 2 comes, so there are two cases basically. So 2 can come here, 2 can come here. Okay. Okay, now if I look, have to look at that which number can come here, which is according to 3y, which number can come here. So if I look at 23, 23 which is the largest number. So 23, if 23 comes here, then one third of 23 is something is 7 point something. Okay, so 23 by 3 7 point something. So the only number of books that Rajesh can have should be less than 7, because this is less than one third the Trived had. So if Trived had 23, then Rajesh should have less than 7 books, less than 7 point something. Okay, so Rajesh can have 7 or 2, but it can't have 2, so it must be 7 over here. Okay, so why we take 7 over here? Because here the only value which can come is 23. Because if we take 19 over here, and if I do the one third, then I can't have any value which can satisfy this condition. So the only value which can come over here is 23, because I have to do one third as well. So 23 by 3 is 7 point something. So I need to select some value over here which is less than 7 point something, which is less than 23 by 3. So the two values are 2 and 7, but 2 can't come here, so only 7 will come here. So okay, so I have selected 2, 7, 23. Now 13 and 19 are remaining. Now here it can come 13 or 19 or 19 or 13. So but Ankit should have less than Kishore. So Ankit can't have 19 because Ankit should have less than Kishore. So Kishore should have 19 and Ankit should have 13. Because of this condition, Ankit can't have more than Kishore. So this is one case. If I have to look on this case where 2 is with Ankit, so again with the same reasoning, 23 is the only value which can come here. If 23 is coming here, the only value which can come here is 2 or 7, but 2 is with Ankit, so the only value left is 7. So now 13 and 19 are remaining. So 13 and 19 should become in this place. So if Praveen had 13 books, then Kishore should have more than double with Praveen. So if 13 books come here, then double of 13 is 26. So Kishore should have more than 26, which is not a possibility. Hence this, I will rule out this case. So this is the case which is correct. Okay, now so let me clarify one more thing why I have choose 23, because 23 upon 3 7 point something. Okay, so I want to get the number of books with Rajesh which is less than y, which is less than one third with the books Trived had. Okay, so if Trived had 23, so I need to have books with Rajesh which is less than y. So y is 7 point something. Y is 7 point something. So how many values do we have less than 7 point something? Only 2 and 7, but 2 can't come here. So only the value is 7 which can come here. So 2, 7, 13, 23 are fixed over here, and with this condition I can choose 13 and 19. Any other value other than 23 can't come over here. So this is my arrangement, and I have ruled out this possibility. Let's look at the questions now. So the first question says, how many books does Ankit have? So Ankit has 13 books. So answer is 13. Okay, answer is 13. What is the total number of books with the 5 of them? Okay, so I have to just do the sum of these numbers, or the sum of these number. So 13 plus 7, 20, 20, 22, 41, 64. So 64 will be answer for the second question. So 64 will be the answer for second question. First, the answer of first question is 13. Answer to second question is 64. Third question says, for how many pairs of person is the difference between the number of books with them a prime number? Okay, so I have to take the difference and see how many prime numbers are coming. So if I take this 2 and 7, difference is 5. Okay, so one prime number. 2 and 13, difference is 11, again a prime number. 2 and 19, difference is 17, again a prime number. 23 and 2, difference is 21, which is not a prime number. So till now I got three pairs wherein I am getting the prime numbers. Okay, so if I look 13 and 7, the difference is 6. Then 7, 12, 23. Okay, so I will not get any other pair. So the answer to this question is 3. The last question says, what is the difference between the number of books with Kishore and the number of books with Trived? Okay, so number of books with Kishore is 19. Number of books with Trived is 23. So the difference is 23 minus 19, which is 4. Okay, so this is the set, guys. So I hope you like this set. This is a proper cat level set, and the ideal time for this set is 10 to 11 minutes. Thank you guys for the set. See you guys in the next one.